Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser and now let's tap on this three dots icon. Here we have to tap on the settings, and as you can see in advanced we've got the clear browsing data option, so let's tap on it. Here we can decide what we want to remove, so we can remove input history, browsing history, cached pages, cookies, passwords, site settings and homepage news cache. If you want to make sure that something will be removed, just tap on it and mark it, for example like here. So now I can be sure that the cookies will be removed. So let me pick for example also the passwords and site settings. If you are ready, tap on clear data. Let's tap on clear, and as you can see the data has been cleared successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.